Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Witches Cauldron in Grow game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that if we want to use the black cat pad, we need to have Witches Cauldron, because the black cat pad can only work if you have Witches Cauldron on your garden. And maybe some of you are still wondering on how to get this Witches Cauldron cosmetic. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the way to get the Witches Cauldron. So guys, if you want to get Witches Cauldron, you need to get the pumpkin crate first. And you can place the pumpkin crate on your garden. And I have already placed this pumpkin crate and I have already opened it, and I could unlock the Witch's Cauldron. Okay, and if you want to get the pumpkin crate, you can go to the Halloween market and you can get the pumpkin crate from there, and the Halloween market will appear every 1 hour, so you need to stand by and you will have possibility to get this Witch's Cauldron. Or you can fill out the Witch's Cauldron right here. You can fill it 100% and you will have chance to get the you will have chance to get the pumpkin crate as a reward, and you can get the Witch's Cauldron for your black cat pet. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Witch's Cauldron in Grow a Garden game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.